Hi guys, I'm Neha from Team CaptureKit. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you generate summaries for all of your domain pages in bulk using CaptureKit API and n8n. Okay, so first of all, you need to have a CaptureKit API. So go to the capturekit.dev and sign up there. And on the dashboard, you can see API keys. As you will click here, you will get your API key. Keep this handy. We are going to need this in our n8n workflow. Okay, so now understand what API we are going to use. From CaptureKit, we are going to use two APIs. First is Content API. This Content API we are going to use for extracting the page content, and we are going to use our sitemap for extracting all the links. And after that, we are going to use this AI Content API. This API will pick the link and generate AI summary of the page. Before we start creating the workflow, I recommend you to go through these API pages and understand the endpoints and the requirement. We are going to get all these URLs and page summaries in a Google spreadsheet. So let's prepare it. Create a Google Sheet, give it a name, and in one sheet add the domain, and in second sheet we are going to get the URLs and the summaries. So prepare this sheet. So now we have everything and it's time to create our workflow on n8n. Go to n8n website, sign up there and click on create your workflow, and you will be getting a empty workflow here. So in your workflow here, in the center you will get a plus sign. Click on that and add a load of schedule trigger, and then on the second we are going to use this second node, which is get row in sheet. So this will help us taking this domain URL. So connect your Google Sheet account, select the sheet with theory document, then in operations select get rows, and in documentation select the sheet name which we have prepared, and now just click on execute. As you will click on execute, you will see now we will have our domain name here which we added in the sheet. To use this node, HTTP request for making our first API call. So we are going to use this content API. We are going to use this URL and copy and paste it here. In the fields here, we are going to map it. For the access key, I have already added the access key which I got from CaptureKit website, and in name we are going to add URL, and here we are going to pick the domain name from our sheet. So just click here and drag and drop here, and we need URLs from the sitemap. So I will add include underscore sitemap, and I will value as true, and then I will click on execute. You can see here that all the data from the sitemap is here. So we only need the links. So we are going to use this node split out, and you just click here. So click here and drag and drop this data sitemap links, and as you will execute, you can see that only the URLs has been excluded. As you can see in the output, we have so many URLs, and the AI content API will pick one URL at a time and generate a summary for it. So we are going to use this node logo item. This will pick URLs of one by one. And you just add it here. So now we are going to use this node HTTP request for making our second API call for generating pages summary. Add this node and add this API endpoint from here. In the add your API key and the value, and we only want URLs for this API, and here we have already extracted the URLs only. So click on this and drag and drop this here, and then execute. As you will execute, you are going to see the output here. We have got the summaries. Now we are going to add summaries in our sheet. So add this append row in sheet node, connect your Google Sheet account. In resources, sheet with thin document operation, we are going to choose append rows. Select your spreadsheet, and in sheet we are going to use this sheet in which we want the content. Now in the URL we will add the website URLs. So here I go to the blue items. Here you will see, and drag and drop in this, and in the summaries we just got summaries from our second HTTP request. Click here and drag and drop here. Now as you will execute, you will see that we have got the first summary of the first URL, and now we can see that this workflow is working. Now what we are going to do is we are going to connect this append row sheet to the loop over items. Now it will, as you will click on execute workflow, this workflow will run and it will pick one URL at a time and generate the summary for it. And as you can see here, there are 80 URLs in the sitemap, so it went one by one and it took us little time. And as you can see, all the pages URL and the summaries are here. So you can do the same with this workflow. You don't even have to start from the scratch. In this YouTube description, I have dropped an n8n workflow. You can import the workflow from here and make a little changes like your API key and the website website URL and also the sheet name, and you are ready to go.